Hello everybody. So in this video I'm going to be talking about an issue with which a lot of you have been having trouble during the last quiz, and that is the topic of rounding with three significant figures. So I'm going to explain how to do this. So let's suppose you get an answer in your calculator that says something like 12.135. So when rounding to three significant figures, what you have to do is count your first three numbers. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3. And then you take a look at the fourth number. And if this fourth number is less than 5, then you would round it as 12.1, right? Because we have a 3 next. So this would be rounding to three significant figures. Let's suppose you have a different number, and this one is instead 12.167. So again, you look at the first three significant numbers and you analyze the fourth. Because this one is greater than 5, then we would have to round up a little bit. So this to three significant figures would be then 12.2. Let's look at another case. Let's suppose we have a number like 12.915. So here again, we look at the first three significant numbers or figures, and then we look at the fourth. This is less than 5, so we simply write 12.9. Okay, let's look at another case. Let's suppose we have 12.971. So we look at the first three numbers and then analyze the fourth one. So this is greater than 5, therefore I have to round up. Now the next number after 9 is 10, so that means that I have to put a 0 here and add 1 to the previous number, to the 2. So this is going to be 13.0. And now notice that a 0 after a decimal point is considered a significant number. Let's look at other cases. Let's suppose we have something like 102.4. Again, we look at the first three numbers, analyze the fourth one, in this case less than 5, then this would be to three significant figures, simply 102. Don't put 0.0 because that would be four significant figures. If you have something like 102.6, then again, we look at this guy, the fourth number, and then we have to round up. So this would be equal to 103 in three significant figures. Let's look at some cases with more zeros. Let's say, for instance, we have something like 0.00135. Okay, so this first 0 is not significant. But these two are, because they're after the decimal point. So the third number would be the 1. Then we look at the fourth number, and because it's less than 5, then we know that we can round this to 0.001, and that is to three significant figures. Let's suppose we have something like 0.00162. Again, 1, 2, 3 significant figures. This is greater than 5, so we have to round up. This will be 0.002. Okay, but what if we have big numbers? Okay, so let's suppose we have something like 98,741, and they want us to round this to three significant figures. So this to three significant figures, again, we count the first three significant figures, look at the fourth one, less than 5, so we would write this as 98,700. Now these are not considered significant figures. Very well. Now let's look at a case where we have something like, say, 98,752. So for this case, we do the same thing. We look at the first three significant figures and analyze the fourth one. And because the fourth one is a 5, remember that 5 or more, you round up, so this would be then 98,800.
Amigos bagu kundo mishi bagu zatraka zatraka grishu snakura kutmu nakash toro shabara. Worthy of Mordor.
So you think you could tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Did they get you to train your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold comfort for change? Did you exchange a walk-on part in the war for a lead role in a cage? We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What have we found? The same old fears. Wish you were here.